Hello, nerds! Welcome back to our Nerd School. Today, we are starting our class with teaching aptitude. In this lecture, we will learn about important teaching topics, such as the definition of teaching, nature of teaching, concepts of teaching, and objectives of teaching. Let's have a look at the definition of teaching. Morrison believed that teaching is a disciplined social process in which a teacher influences a pupil's behavior and helps him develop according to the needs and ideas of society. Teaching encompasses all the activities of imparting education to others. The person who imparts education is called the teacher. Teachers use different methods for imparting knowledge to their students. They try their utmost to make their students understand. Teachers should also encourage students to learn the subject matter. Another simple definition could be: teaching is an interaction between a teacher and a student. They benefit from each other's interaction. Each has its objective, and the target is to reach that goal. Many great teachers define teaching differently, and we can say that teaching is to train students to stand on their own feet in society. The teaching process is also called triadic, which includes three elements. They are teacher, students, subject matter or content or curriculum. Now let's discuss the nature of teaching. The first nature is that teaching and learning are two interrelated processes. Secondly, teaching aims to bring out some positive transformation in the students. Thirdly, it imparts knowledge to or instructs how to do something or causes to learn or understand something by example or experience. Another important nature is that the learning process is lifelong, as there is no end to enriching the knowledge. Teaching's particular function is to impart knowledge and develop understanding and skill. In the process of teaching, individuals communicate with each other by exchanging ideas and learning from each other's experiences. Teaching is a systematic approach in which the learner, teacher curriculum, and other variables are organized systematically to attain predetermined goals. Teaching involves all the activities of providing education to others. Now we can also have a small discussion on concepts of teaching. The first thing we need to understand is that teaching is derived from to teach, which is to instruct. Teaching is the act of making something known to another individual. UGC Net has asked one question in this section. The question was based on bipolar process. So yes, according to John Adam, teaching is a bipolar process which stands for narrow meaning. Teaching is a tripolar process which stands for broad meaning. As we have discussed before that, teaching involves a triadic process which is teacher, student, and student's curriculum or society teacher. Now let's discuss the objectives of teaching. Briefly, one of the most important objectives is to bring desired changes in students' attitudes. Another objective is to shape behavior and conduct. The third objective is the acquisition of knowledge. Teaching improves the learning skills of students. Teaching helped in the formation of belief. One of the important purposes of teaching is to make students social and efficient members of society. The primary purpose of teaching is to impart knowledge and wisdom. Knowledge is not solely confined to textbooks. To recall and recognize. Some other objective are understanding, application, skills, interest, attitude. So, that's all for today. In our next class, we are going to learn about the models of teaching. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon to get more similar videos. Thanks for watching. See you in our next lecture.